Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, the psychic gets stuck and a failed rescue attempt. Cue the intro. Well, you join me here on a dark, cold winter's day. Now, in this episode, I received a phone call from the psychic telling me that he knows of an old, abandoned, disused quarry, and we should go and do some epic quarry riding. And of course, never say never, jump at the chance. So straight away, the vision in my head is an old sand or stone quarry where you've got kind of big runs down the sides of cliffs down to the bottom, and it was just going to be absolutely epic. Well, let's find out what happens. So, psychic.
Yeah.
We're off today to an abandoned, hopefully, quarry. In the middle of nowhere, in a very secret location, just as we went past some signposts. Now, we just want to be 100% clear that we are not breaking the law in any way. Dave down the pub said, like, when he cut that road off for us and made sure that the wild camping area was for us to use, it said that we're able to use this. So it's all good. But talking about Dave down the pub, how's his house in the Bahamas and the £6 million he won last week?
Yeah, I think he's alright actually. Yeah, spending the money well. He's enjoying himself. Yeah.
Is he in like Hermione trousers?
Hermione?
Yeah, they're like the non-posh version.
Oh right, yeah.
It's like Eve's jeans. It's like sort of Levi jeans, but he swears that they're the original Levi's ever made. Yeah. And that's why they're called Eve's.
Eve's, yes. He's wearing his Eve's jeans and his Hermione's.
Very good.
Where are we?
Well, hello.
I'm not sure if it's down there actually. Just go. No, it's down there.
It's down there?
Ooh.
You need to look where you're going, mate. not you, him.
Yeah, he decided he was going to keep coming, didn't he?
Yeah.
Let's do an about turn.
So we're not lost in any way at all?
No, I'm just trying to find the secret way in, that's all.
So this quarry, is this a quarry like you see on all the films where it's got nothing but like desert storm and like going miles down into a bank and there's like, you know, massive diggers and like huge jumps that are coming off the top and sheer drops off, all like that, yeah?
It's a disused quarry. It's not been used for can't remember how long. And you used to be able to get on here and people used to bring the 4x4s on and it was quite, there's some very steep parts to it.
Is there?
Yeah.
So we're going to basically go down on a winter's day in mud, rain. It's been raining all day, and we're on almost the late part of the afternoon, so we're probably going to lose light at some point.
Yes.
To ride down a quarry.
Yeah, and looks like we're green laning again to get there.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah,
absolutely.
I washed the scooter this time as well after last time, and it's going to get dirty again.
So I followed your executive 10 out of 10 advice and didn't clean mine. But I didn't plug it in as well and had a flat battery, so that's really clever of me.
Yeah, silly.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes, you know, when you're in a rush and stuff like that, and you've got to sign all these autographs and people's bald heads.
Which you've not been doing.
You're flying away.
That's because the Vespa's the green laning beast, that's why.
Oh, I could if I wanted to stand up, I'm just lazy. The thing is, because we've got, like, obviously the best adventure bikes in the world. Yeah. This is not the kind of thing we'd recommend for anybody to do on an off-roading machine that's not capable like ours in any way. No. You know, those Triumph Tigers and V-Strons and Himalayans and GSs, they're just not fit for this. And obviously a Vespa and a monkey bike are by far the only ones that anyone should be buying.
Proper tools for the job, really.
Yeah, exactly. Also like picking up milk for your mum.
Yeah.
Yeah. Multi-tooled.
It's a good thing about these, when you come going down the green lane, people always smile when they see you.
Yeah, it's because they think you're insane. I mean, it's because they're so impressed with your adventure riding skills.
If you're on a great big thumping 4-stroke 400cc beast with off-road tyres, they kind of look at you a bit angrily, don't they?
Yeah, they do. That's because they've got really loud exhausts. Oh, do you know what I could do with?
A beer?
A zig-zig-rah-rah. Yeah, no, do you know what? A beer would go really nice now.
But we
Slow
don't
down to let you through first. Just
don't
make
condone
sure
drink driving, obviously.
It'll be non-alcoholic as per usual.
Right.
That non-alcoholic Bishop's Finger is lovely. Do you know what? I'm still waiting for that phone call.
Which one?
Well, from Coca-Cola Brute and now Cadbury's. I don't think that email was real reflecting back.
Yeah. It's a shame.
Well, it might be. They're probably just in awe and all the women in the room had fainted when they watched it. So they probably thought it was too explicit.
Possibly. You never know.
Are you going to buy a monkey bike yet?
I don't need a monkey bike.
Yeah, I know you don't need one,
Vespa.
but it's about fixing your life, really.
Well, what's wrong with my life?
You ain't got a monkey bike in it, have you? You're not smiling. Do you see me? I am pure smiles all the way.
I'm smiling. You're smiling on the inside.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're just angry on the outside?
Yes. Just angry and miserable on the outside.
No, this is a really nice tarmac road. We could have used a really nice tarmac road to get here in the first place.
Well, not this really nice tarmac road, no.
Why?
Because
Is it blocked off?
this only takes you down there.
Why? It's a bit weird. It just takes you to the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
You're braking again.
Yeah, you need to keep your eye out. Here we go. We're in.
You're going in there?
Yeah.
You go first. That's not a quarry, mate.
It is.
It's just a big muddy field.
No, it's a quarry.
Have you done this before?
Yeah, I've been on there before.
This is illegal. I mean, it's completely illegal.
Yes.
Right, I'm just going to stop here for a minute.
Why?
I'll stretch my legs.
You're a little bit stuck in the mud there, mate.
I'm not stuck yet. I'm still going.
You know I'm not allowed to get mucky, right?
I think it's a bit late for that. Woo! Maybe you should have gone round the outside.
Yeah, good thinking.
There we go. I'm off.
That's a big puddle around the outside.
Ooh, Willie.
Where are you going?
Over here.
I've not set the cameras yet.
We've still got a way to go.
I'm just going to do my clutching.
Do your clutching.
Yeah. Look, I'm just slipping everywhere. Oh, mate. Whoa. 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 That's it. This is where it all goes wrong, mate.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Me too.
Oh. Just over here we want to be.
Yeah, but we could have gone the right way. Dude, I'm actually generally sinking in the mud here.
Right, I'm going to pause my camera.
What do you mean pause it? Record me, man. Look at me. I can't. I can just smell my clutch burning.
What are you doing all the way over there?
You smell my clutch burning?
No. The Vespa's still going. It's still ploughing. In fact, the exhaust ploughing a big hole. Oh.
This is not. I was expecting like what you said. I was expecting sand and stuff.
Yeah, the Vespa's definitely a bit stuck.
Oh, you'd have to get it out, wouldn't you? Go, go, go!
Come on, go, come on. Yes.
Yes! I'm going! I'm going! I'm going! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes!
Go.
I'm on it! Can I have a break now?
Oh. I might have to turn my heated vest off in a minute. Whoa!
I've lost you on comms, mate. It's gone all
Have you?
Well, you're back now. I think you're just heavily breathing.
Right.
Is you alright?
Which way? Let's go this way.
Wait for me! I'm coming, big boy! It's like moon dancing! Yes! Oh shit. No. You ready? Where do you want to go?
Up here.
I'm a bit back.
I am.
You're in my way. You want to go up? You want to go up the hill?
No, I want to go through here.
I thought it was going to be full of sand and stuff.
Did you? What, this time of year?
Like you see on all the adverts.
I'm stuck.
Here. I'm coming to rescue you. Come on, monkey. I'm coming, big boy.
shit the bed! Come on! My ABS is going mental! It's doing its job! Oh, flipping heck! You there yet? Look, just do it sideways!
Yes!
I'm stuck.
You alright over there?
Yeah, no problem for this bike.
Let's go.
You know you're walking your bike.
Oh, you over those big holes?
Yes! Yes!
Yes, better through here.
No. No. Fucking hell. This is
What are you doing?
enjoying the countryside. How are you?
Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bollocks. Bollocks. This isn't going well.
Can't be that stuck, surely.
No, mate, not at all. Shit. I think I'm giving birth.
Giving birth? What are you giving birth to?
Baby monkey. Have you got any Entonox?
That heavy breathing sounds like you could be doing something.
I'm fucked, I can't get out of here.
Come on, the Vespa's made it.
I'm actually bonked.
Come on, girl, come on, let's go.
You got a tow rope?
Yeah, no, sorry.
My bike.
Ooh, drifting, there we go, Whip.
My bike's knackered.
Come on, the quarry's just over this way. Ooh.
I need to set up some good camera work, you know.
You need to get out of the mud.
What?
I can't even see you now.
Oh, you bogged off and left me behind again. No, it's not going anywhere.
Do I need to come back for you?
Yeah. Give me a push. Oh, bollocks.
What are you doing?
Having a meltdown, how are you doing?
Just hanging around, waiting.
Might be the clearance. Quite there.
You know what you were saying about me getting a monkey bike?
Yeah.
I think I've definitely changed my mind. Well, look at the Vespa's loads better.
I think I'm in neutral.
You're in something. Right. I'll just leave the Vespa parked there a minute. Oh, you made it now?
Yeah, I know, I just want to get off your bike. I wasn't stuck at all.
Yeah.
I just need a break for a minute, hang on. Fucking hell.
Go.
I'm stuck again now.
Oh, piss off. I'm going to have to turn this heated vest down.
I'm going backwards now.
think I've turned the button up. Pressed the button and turned it up. I'm boiling.
I wonder if that's to do with fighting against humanity.
You're at your best.
Oh, bollocks! Whoa. Whoa. Fuck the bed! Oh Jesus!
Right, you've made it.
I don't think. Hang on. I'm not gonna lie. I just need a minute.
Right, can you see this area over here where it's fenced off?
Not right now. I mean, I've got to say, that didn't struggle at all.
The bike probably didn't. I think you did.
Didn't. I don't think. Yours is all mucky, mine did really well.
Mine just sucked it up and went for it.